In this video, we will introduce you to the Shop Management Dashboard. The dashboard is the page shown when you first log into the Shop Management panel. It gives an overview of the performance of your shop and has 4 sections. First is the total sales. This table shows the total sales achieved so far today, this month, this year, and since your shop started. Second is the recent orders. This table shows the dates and values of your most recent orders. You can see full orders details by clicking the orders in the menu. Third is the sales history. This graph shows your monthly sales since your shop started, and a more detailed version of this graph is available by clicking reports in the menu. Lastly is the orders history. This graph shows your monthly number of orders since your shop started. A more detailed version of this graph is available by clicking reports in the menu.